So today we're going to visit the Henderson Wave Bridge in Singapore. It's one of the highest pedestrian walks in Singapore. I think it's 30 meters high, and it goes through the forest and the trees, and there's beautiful scenery to be seen on this walk. And then after the bridge we're going to just have a little walk around and explore the parks around it. And it's very hot today, very humid, so lots of sweating, but hopefully some fun on the way. Let's go and see what this place has to offer. Well, it's so hot and humid today, like it's the most humid day I think I've experienced here in Singapore. I'm sweating big time, and if you are coming here to this bridge, there's lots of hills and steps to climb as well. But as you can see behind me, there's areas for you that would normally be open for people to sit down, but because of COVID, they have these seated areas taped off, and but you can find park benches at the end and at the beginning of the bridge itself. So yeah, going to continue to walk now and see where we end up.